Today I am going to talk about how to use icons in UI design while you are designing for websites or apps or mobile apps or any interface. If you are designing, you need some icons. Now, how to get those icons for free and how to purchase different premium icons, and also about different types of those icons, file types like SVG, then we have CSH, then we have EPS files, then we have Illustrator files, then we have PST files. Even the new icons are coming in the sketch format. So all these formats I am going to talk about. Also, there is one more format which is app icon fonts, which are very great feature if you have them. Okay. So let's see how we are going to download free app icons and use them in our web design or mobile app projects. And also I will advise you different sites where you can get premium icons, bundled icons like 5,000 or 6,000 icons too, so you can use them in any kind of mobile or web design project. So let's get started. One of my students, Alexandra, she asked me how to use symbols or shapes or icons, different UI icons in her design. And what she was trying to do is she was trying to replicate this design. And the icon she needed was this arrow icon for this drop down menu. Now, there are many ways you can do this, but I will tell you the right ways and the wrong ways to do this. Okay, so ultimately your any web design, whether you are using Sketch or whatever, they are going to be converted to code. Okay, so ultimately in the end the developers need these icons. So the best format for developers is whether these icons should be in web fonts format or they should be in SVG format. Okay, so these are the two best types. I prefer SVG because they render very crisply. They are better than fonts. The first way is, if you want to get them, is you need to get them for free. And for these I use this freebuysbug.com. And if you go to this side menu, you can see there is icon. You can click on it. And here you can see these icons. There are many icons, but these ones are Dropicons. And they are almost have 200 free icons, and they are also in web fonts format. You can see over here. So it has Sketch, Illustrator format, and PST Photoshop format. So these are really cool. You can use them in any web designing or designing app. Now you can see these are all the icons. If you click on over here, it is going to take you to a website where you will be unable to find the link. You can see if I show you over here. So this is the problem. Now the problem, to solve this problem, you are going to find this link over here, download from GitHub. Now if you click over here, this is the GitHub link for them. So it is basically better that you just search in Google about Dropicons version 2 GitHub, and it will take you to this page. Now just click on over here, download, and download zip, and it is going to download the whole icons zip file into your downloads folder. There will be different file types, and I have opened up this PST file, Dropicon version 2 PST, and it is by Amit Jaku, I think. And these icons are really cool. I think for any interface design or normal website, they are really helpful and useful. One thing you need to keep in mind is that any icon group or designed by one designer, they are going to look alike. They have similar roundness, they have similar sizes. So make sure if you are using icons in any website or any project, use a theme from a single package or a single designer, because all these icons have different themes. Some are very rounded, some are oval type shapes, some are rounded rectangle, or some are like documents, and they have different sizes. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm going to show the examples just in some moments. Now what I'm going to do is, you can see there are different arrows over here. So just I am going to use this arrow. So I'm going to drag it to my document like this. and just use any text over here with it, and this is how you are going to use your arrow. Okay, so one more thing, if you want to, this is a shape, make sure this is a shape, so it's a vector shape. You can easily resize it like this. Okay, so also you can resize this text, like I'm going to use it 24. So let's see if it looks great with it. Okay, so looking good. Make sure the color is the same for the drop down and everything, so they look good with each other. Okay, so this is the one way, it is a free way. I don't recommend creating each and every icon within Photoshop. It is better to download a whole icon set and use that in your designs. Now coming to the premium icons, if I go to this website, this is creativemarket.com, and if you go to graphics icons, you can find lot of icons and even icon bundles. Like you can see over here, these are by Icon 54 5000 perfect icons, and these icons are really cool. They have many categories. Let me show you the details. You can see over here this music category with filled, and these are line icons. These are called filled icons. So you can use any one according to your theme. These days these line icons are very in, and they are used mostly in our designs: business, shopping, design, and cloud networking, industry, drinks, email, medical, mobile, money. So there are many themes you can use them: avatars, people, sports, video, alignment, paragraphs, arrows. So you can use any arrow from here. Okay, now the best thing about these big icon packages is they are a bit costly. Like you can see over here, 63. You can avail some discounts if you find any coupon. So I prefer that you purchase one or two icon package like these and use them in any of your projects, because they are really big. They have many different categories of icons and you can use them anywhere. Now the file types he is offering, let me show you. These are the file types: EPS, Illustrator file, sketch file, CSH is basically Photoshop shapes, custom shapes. I'm going to show you the folder. If you go to Photoshop's installation folder, presets and custom shapes, you can see here we have CSH files. You can just copy your CSH file, and you can go to this shapes over here, custom shape tool, drop down, and you can select this over here. Okay, so once you select this drop down, you can see different shapes over here, and your shape will be in this area. If you want to load a shape, you can load it, and it will be loaded in this area over here, and you can just click on it and start making your shapes like this. Okay, so something like this. Let's move it around like that. Okay, so you can use these custom shapes like this. So it is a handy tool, but I think it's not necessary. Main things you are going to look for is this APS file, then the fonts file, and SVG. Also, if it's in Sketch, that's a good thing, but I think EPS or SVGs can be also opened in Sketch and not in Photoshop but in Illustrator. And EPS, PNG, CSH, fonts. So this is really cool. They have a lot of different types. Icon Jar is another software, Mac based software, I guess, for managing icons. So that is why they have this Icon Jar format. This is all about using icons in your web designs or mobile app designs. If you have any questions, ask me or leave a comment down below. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And I will keep on making different videos on the questions my students ask me a lot, so it can help you and improve your designs. So let's see you in another video. Till then, take care and bye.